Good morning, students. Welcome to my Sharada Math classes. Sharada Math classes. This is a new channel, as you all know, that I'll be teaching mathematics subject for state syllabus and CBSE board. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also tell your friends about this channel so that they too will get some benefit from this. Okay, so in the last video I had started arithmetic progression and I had given you the meaning of arithmetic progression and what are the important things involved in arithmetic progression and how to find the last term using the formula and how to derive formula. All those things I have explained in my previous video of arithmetic progression. Please go through that video, you will get the idea. So here today we are going to solve the problems of exercise 1.2. In the last video you have learned that the formula used to find any term of an AP. Any term, if at all you have to find any term of AP, we use the formula AN is equal to A plus AN minus 1 into D. AN is the last term, A is the first term, N is the number of terms. How many terms are given in the sequence, that is your N. And D is the common difference between any two consecutive terms. So if you take any two terms in the sense two consecutive terms, one after the other. What is the difference? That is the value of, that will give you the value of D. Here they have given column. Here they have given the value of A, D, N and AN. So in each row, out of 4 entities, they have given the value of only 3. You have to find the fourth one. So you can easily use this formula and you can find the value. First one, let us take up. Let us substitute the value here. AN is not known. So keep as it is. What is the value of A? A is 7 here plus N, number of terms. There are 8 terms in that sequence. AP minus 1 into D means D is given here, it is 3. Substitute the values first. So AN you have to find out. AN is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 3. That is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21. 28. So therefore the last term is nothing but, in that sequence they have given, there are only 8 terms in that sequence. That 8th term is nothing but your AN. Okay, how many terms are there? That term. Suppose if there are 20 students in your class. So if I ask you how many students are there, you will tell 20. Number of students 20. Who is the 20th student if I ask you? So the one whose name starts with either Y or Z. So that will be the last student. Here also similarly, number of terms is nothing but number of students in the class. That is nothing but your N here. And AN is nothing but the last student whose name is there in the register. That is the last student name. Here also this is the last term of this sequence. So the last term of the sequence is 28. Therefore, there are 8 terms in the sequence. 8 terms, out of 8 terms, who is the 8th student? 8th student is nothing but your AN. Okay, this is how you can find. So therefore, here the value of AN is 28. Next, second one I will solve here. Here, same formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now here second formula, A is given, A is 18, AN is given, AN is 0, A is 18 plus N is not, D is not given here, N is given. 10 minus 1 into D, D you have to find out here. Okay, AN is 0, A is 18. 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into D is 90. Now shift 18 here. That becomes minus 18 is equal to 90. So 90 is equal to minus 18 you can write. Therefore, D is equal to minus 18 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are. Therefore, D is equal to minus 2. So, difference is minus 2. This is the answer. Okay, this is how you can solve. So, in the third problem, they have given the value of D, N and AN. You have to find A. Okay, for that I am going to rub this. Okay. The third problem, what is given AN? AN is given how much? Minus 5 is equal to A value we don't know, keep as it is, plus N means number of terms, 18. Minus 1 into D means D is here your minus 3. D is minus 3. So, minus 5 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 is 17. 17 into minus 3. So, minus 5 is equal to A plus 17 into minus 3 means minus 51. Shift minus 51 here. That becomes minus 5 plus 51 is equal to A. So, minus 5 plus 51 is nothing but plus 46 is equal to A. Therefore, the first term A is 46. Okay, this is how you can find any of the missing term given in the table using this formula. So, this is how you can solve the problems. If at all you have to find the value of A or N or D or AN, whatever it is. So, you can use this formula, substitute all the remaining values, and whatever value you have to find out, keep that as it is. Finally, you will get the answer. That answer is nothing but the unknown term. So, this is how by using this formula you can find the values. Okay. Next, same exercise, continuation, third main. Heading is find the missing terms. Okay, here we have three terms here, 2 dash 26. You have three terms here. This is first term, second term, third term. You have three terms. First term is nothing but your A. A is given. Second term is, you don't know, A plus D. We don't know. You know the terms of the AP, is it not? First term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, so on. Okay, second term A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, but A plus 2D is given how much? 26, is it not? So, A plus 2D is equal to 26, they have given the value. You know the value of A, put the value of A, 2. Put A is equal to 2. 2 plus 2D is equal to 6, 26. Shift to this side. 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. 2D is equal to 24. D is equal to 24 by 2. That is equal to 12. So, D you got it. Is it not? When once you get D, D is equal to 12. So, how do you get second term? By adding 12. Is it not? By adding D. So, second term A plus D is equal to, A means 2. D means 12. 2 plus 12, that is equal to 14. So, A is already given. D you have found out just now. Add D to A, you will get the second term. That is how you can find out the second term. Next, coming to this. Here, first term is given A. A is equal to minus 4. You don't know. Second term A plus D is question mark. Third term A plus 2D is question mark. Fourth term A plus 3D is question mark. First, second, third, fourth, fifth term. Fifth term is A plus 4D is equal to question mark. We don't know. But sixth term we know. A plus 5D is equal to 6. Is it not? So, this is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. You know A plus 5D and you know the value of A. Is it not? Only these two values you know. Put A plus 5D is equal to 6. Put the value of A here. Plus 5D is equal to 6. I have put A is equal to minus 4. Now shift minus 4 here. That becomes 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. That is equal to 10. 5D is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 divided by 5. That is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. So once you get the value of D, go on adding D to this one. So this becomes A plus D. A plus D will be, here I am going to substitute the value. A means minus 4 plus 2. Minus 2 only. See, A means minus 4 plus 2. That is equal to minus 2. This is minus 2. Next, A plus 2D. A means minus 4 plus 2 into 2. That is equal to minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So, A plus 3D is nothing but minus 4 plus 2 into 3 into 2. 3D, 3 into 2. Minus 4 plus 6, that is equal to plus 2. Plus 2. So, A plus 4D is nothing but A means minus 4 plus 4 into D means 2. So, minus 4 plus 8, that is equal to plus 4. This is how you can find out the value of A and D. So, once you get the value of D, put the value. A plus D means minus 4 plus 2, you will get minus 2. 2D means minus 4 plus 2 into D means 2. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. 3D means minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6. Plus 6 minus 4 is plus 2. A plus 4D is, A means minus 4 plus 4 into D means 2. Minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4. So, this is how you can find. Or else, same thing only you can write down. Okay. Like this you can find the value of A or D. Any term. You can use the same formula. You can find out. If there are less number of terms means you can follow this method. A plus 2D, 3D easily you can find out. Once you know A and any one of the term, easily you can substitute the value of A and then find the value of D. After finding the value of D, go on adding that to the previous number. You will get the value of the whole terms. Okay. Next problem. Fourth problem. Which term of AP? Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So, in this sequence, you have terms like this. 3, 8, 13, 18, so on like that, and this is also one of the terms. 78 is also one of the terms. I don't know whether it is 5th term or 10th term or 20th term or 25th term, I don't know. Because after 18 you will not get 78, is it not? If you go on adding D, finally you will get 78 at some point. So which term is that? Like I gave you example of students in your class. There are 20 students in your class. So, how many students if I ask, you will tell there are 20 students. That 20 will be your N. So, that 20 will become your N. So, who is the 20th student if I ask? Then you will tell some name starting with Z or Y. Is it not? So, that last student in the attendance. Last student's name in the attendance is nothing but last term here. Okay. Number of terms, last term. Don't get confused. Number of terms means number of students in the class. That is whole 20 students. So, who is the last student in your class? Name of the last students in the attendance register. That is your AN. Okay, that is the difference between N and AN. AN is like last student. Okay, so AN is nothing but the last students in the attendance register. So, how many number of students is nothing but N. Last student in the attendance register. Name of the last students is your AN. So, in this problem, value of A is 3. Is it not? Difference D is equal to second term minus first term. Subtract second term minus first term. 8 minus 3 will give you 5. And the last term, last student, 78 is given, write down. How many students are there? We don't know. Put it as n. Okay, so put the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Next, 78 is equal to a means 3 plus n we don't know, keep as it is, minus 1 into d means 5. Okay, 78 is equal to a means 3 plus multiply by 5 these two terms, 5n minus 5. Okay, 78 is equal to, group these two, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 5n as it is. Shift minus 2 here, that becomes plus 2 is equal to 5n. 80 is equal to 5n. n is equal to 80 minus 5. If you cancel, you will get 16 times. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 16. Therefore, how many terms are there in this sequence? It is nothing but 16. There are 16 terms in this sequence. So, this is how you can find. Same formula we are using. Whenever you are asked to find, you are come across the word term. Which term of the sequence is so and so. So, find the difference between two terms in the given sequence. Anything, let them ask. You have to put the same formula. Okay, this is how you can find the value of any term, or you can find how many terms are there in this sequence, or you can find the value of a or d or anything related to the terms given here. Like this you can solve it. Okay.